Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Digital World. Hope you all are doing well. So today my topic is how to mirror your Android device with Windows PC. So in this concept you will learn about how you can mirror your Android with your Windows PC, how you can use your Android device in your Windows PC in Windows 10. So today we will show you the complete step how we can do this process. So what is the various step we have to follow this. So let's begin the installation. So let's start. I will show you in my Windows PC how I am doing these steps. So you have to follow the same steps to enable the mirror in Windows PC. So let's start.
We have to do, so this link I will give you in my YouTube description. We have to open this link, then we have to install various files. So here we have to scroll down, then there will be a window option. So we have to download this Scrappy Bin 64 version 1.1 zip file. So further follow these steps. We have to do more steps. So what we have to do before you process the installation, so here we have to enable the USB debugging setting in the developer option in your mobile. Then you have to connect the mobile and PC, then pop-up window will be visible in mobile. Then you have to choose transfer file option. Okay, then we have to follow various steps in Windows PC as followed in videos. So what we have to do, the scenario is, first of all we have to enable these two options. So this is the important step before you proceed in this video. So let's begin. So once you follow these steps, you have enabled debugging option in your Android. Then pop-up window will be appear. Then you have to click on transfer file. Then next is just click on this, download this file. Once this file will be downloaded, what we have to do, so guys, once you download the software, you have to check the file as per mentioned. As you can see my window, so you can eject this file. Once you eject this file, you have to go to folder, the folder which I ejected from the zip file. So here is my folder. So what you have to do now, so you can see this exe file. Okay, so what we have to do here, first you have to connect your mobile with the USB cable. Before proceeding that, you should aware to follow these steps. Once you follow these steps, then only you will be visible your device in Windows. Otherwise your device will fail to connect with your system and your device will not be visible. So before proceeding Windows PC steps, you have to follow these steps. This scenario is must. Okay, so once I successfully enable developer mode, so I will connect my USB device. Okay, let's connect it. And then I have to click on transfer files. Okay, then there will be one option, allow USB debugging. So I will allow it. And here what we have to do, we have to open this software and you can see my window. So I'm able to operate my Android device in my PC. Okay, you do this. Let me zoom out this window. So now you can see I'm able to work I'm able to access my Android device with this tool. So this is the best method you can do in your PC as well. Copy this. You have to copy this option, means you have to copy this browse file. Okay, so I'm copying this. Okay, so here I'm copying this. What we have to do now, we have to go to properties, PC properties, then advanced system setting, then environment variable, then we have to go to path. Okay guys, then we have to click on edit, or you can also click on no, you have to click on edit. See, I have already given path. Let me delete this entry and I'm adding this path, the path of software. I'm entering it here. Here you have to follow this. See, I'm showing you again. See the path of software. You have to follow these steps. Okay, and you have to copy this here and you have to just click OK, then path alt. Then what we have to do, you don't have to visit this page again and again. Okay, so no need to click here. Just I will do, I will open my CMD command. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just write, just that's it. You have to just write a spelling of exe file and you are able to view your mobile device in your PC. So this is the best method you can do. Even you can play anything whatever you want. You can play your videos as well, or you can open your camera as well if you want. You can see me. I can show you out. See how the camera quality is. So means this way you can do your work with your Android. You can operate your Android with your PC. So hope you like my video, you like this video. So give subscribe, click on subscribe button for the latest updates. So see you in next videos guys. So bye bye guys, take care, have a nice day.